Hi and good day to everyone. Again, this is Michael and welcome to Video Nomura Pinoy Investor Facebook Group. So before we proceed with our next presentation, may mga questions yung groupmates natin about sa pag-open ng account. So list of questions from previous video. So number one, ano po ba si Nomura? So answer po, si Video Nomura Securities Inc. is a joint venture between BDO Unibank Inc. and Nomura Holdings of Japan with the purpose of providing online trading services to BDO's significant client. In short, online stockbroker that will help us to participate in the Philippine stock market. Number 2, pwede daw po ba akong mag-open ng account sa BDO Nomura? Then siya ka na lang may mag-fund. So answer is yes. Number 3, sino po pwede mag-open ng account kahit nandito kami sa ibang bansa? Pwede po ba? So answer is, again, if you have already started using your BDO online banking account, kahit nasan ka pang bansa ngayon, basta may internet connection, then you can start to open an account with BDO Nomura. Watch my first video on how to open an account. So number 4, paano yan? Wala din akong BDO online banking account. So answer is, okay, kung sakaling wala pa, the important thing is may active video savings account ka. Then enroll mo na lang through online. Just visit www.bdo.com.ph. So number 5, is there any maintaining balance for my BDO Nomura account? Answer is happy to say no. Number 6, pwede bang joint trading account? As of the moment, no. So how much po initial investment sa BDO Nomura? So initial investment is 5,000, but for clarification, this minimum amount will be used for buying stocks. So as of now, yun lang yung mga naging questions na mag-mates natin. So let's start this presentation. This short presentation was made intended to help the group to understand how to do funding to our BDO Nomura settlement account. So let's go to BDO Nomura main page. So ito yan siya lalabas. So click lang natin yung online trading login. Then pupunta sa page na to. So just type your username, password, and click login. So we will be receiving one-time password to our registered mobile number from BDO. So if you receive it already, then enter OTP here, then click submit. So it will go now to BDO Nomura main page. So may dalawang box dyan. So yung first box, ito, may mga choices siya, no? So yung trade, kung saan ka magbabuy and sell, deposit and funding, so explain natin yan later. Withdrawal, ito yung choice na kung saan, halimbawa kumita ka, nagbenta ka, kumita ka, tapos kailangan mo yung pera. So you will just withdraw it from your BDO Nomura settlement account to going to your BDO account. Then sa transaction history, so dito mo makikita yung lahat ng buy and sell mo, yung official receipt, yung cash dividends, yung debit and credit memo. Yun. Then sa market research naman, dyan mo makikita yung weekly report, monthly report, video reports, tomorrow reports, saka yung mga investment materials. So yung frequently asked questions naman, dyan mo makikita yung kung may questions ka about sa mga fees, sample lang sa mga fees, kung paano ka mag-buy and mag-cancel. So may certain answer dun sa questions na yan. So the other one box is this one, my portfolio. Actually, last December, nung nag-umpisa kami sa BDO Nomura, wala pa to, hindi pa naka-display yung portfolio mo. Ibig sabihin ng portfolio, yan nakalagay lahat ng mga company na bili mo. Yan, katulad yan, dyan nakalagay stock name, yung company sa mga nabili mo, then yung stock code, yung numbers of shares, tapos nakalagay din dyan yung last traded price as of this date, then yung last trade price. So, explain ko lang, no, ito, in-open ko to noong April 8, which is Saturday. So, nung in-open siya noon, ang lumalabas yun sa pinaka-portfolio record mo, yun yung last traded price nung closing time ng Friday, which is yung April 7. Okay? Then, yung market value, para makuha mo yan, multiply mo yung numbers of shares tsaka dun sa latest last traded price. Okay? So, punta tayo sa pinaka presentation natin, which is deposit and funding. So, if you click on deposit and funding, pupunta tayo dito sa page na to, which is deposit and funding. So, yung transaction date naman automatic yan. Present date lagi yan. Then, transfer from kung saan magagaling ng account. So, kung halimbawa, katulad ko, no, dalawa yung account, mamimili ako kung anong account yung paggagalingan ng pag-funding ko doon sa video settlement account ko. No? So, check natin yung view balance. Tingnan natin kung may balance yung ating account para maging successful yung ating pag-funding. So, enter amount kahit magkano. Kung magkano man yung gusto mo, di ba? Then, click submit. So, take note, number 1, BDO Nomura will send a confirmation email for every successful funding activities in our registered mail. Number 2, you may fund your account on or before 10 p.m. to be included for the next trading day's buying power. So, may nagtanong dito sa akin, so paano yung halimbawa, nag-fund ako ng Friday, ba't hindi pumasok ng Monday? Ang answer dun is ganito, no? Kung halimbawa nag-fund ka ng Friday on or before 10 p.m., so it will be included in the next trading day, which is Monday. But kung after nun, tapos pumasok pa yung Saturday, Sunday, which is not included as a trading day, so it will go, or it will be included on Tuesday. Okay pa? So, may nagtanong, pangalawa, magkano po yung pinakamababang amount na pwede mong i-fund sa BDO Nomura? No? So, ako, tinry ko yung 500, which is naging successful naman yung pag-transfer ko from BDO account to BDO Nomura settlement account. But I don't know kung magkano ba talaga, pero sa akin, pinaka-list na 500. So, if you want to try it na mas mababa pa doon, try nyo na lang po. Okay? So, dito na nagtatapos po yung ating short presentation. So, kung may questions po kayo, just comment below na lang po. Then, see you on the next presentation about on stock buying using the BDO Nomura training platform. And thank you and God bless. Happy investment.